If you're someone that's currently promoting maybe your own product, maybe you're doing affiliate marketing where you found someone else's product online and you're promoting that, I'm going to share with you how to easily set up a funnel so you can start to literally make sales and commissions and money even while you're sleeping. Inside this video, I'm going to share with you first off why you need a funnel, why it's very crucial to actually have a funnel in place when you start promoting things online. I'm also going to break down how a funnel actually works. I'm going to share with you a visual breakdown on a whiteboard on exactly how this works. And there's actually two models that you can copy when it comes to creating a funnel. There's a beginner model and a more advanced model. And I'm going to share with you both of these. So depending on what your skill level, you can go out there at the end of this video, apply it, and start to see results. And I'm also at the end of the video going to share with you two resources to quickly create a funnel in 5 minutes or less, okay? So if you're not very technical, stick around to the very end of the video because I'm gonna share with you how to easily start creating your own funnel so you can put in place what I teach you as soon as today. But before that, if you wanna learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, my friend, welcome back. Now, on the screen right now, I have a picture of a funnel. Now, you probably have seen a funnel before. You know, some of the funnels you pour oil in at the top and it trickles down, or syrup, okay, and it drips. Less that you put in towards the top is gonna come out the bottom, okay? And that's what a funnel actually is, but there's something called a sales funnel, and you wanna create one and have one in place online. The reason is because if you don't have a funnel, what a lot of people are doing is they're going to sites like ClickBank, they're going to sites like JVZoo, you know, maybe they're creating their own product, and they're going online, maybe to sites like Instagram or Facebook. They're sending people directly to the sales page. Okay, if you go to ClickBank or you promote someone else's product, they usually give you a page that will sell that product for you. But again, most people that are beginners or people that are struggling are getting people, let's say from Facebook, and they're sending them directly to the link of the sales page. Now, why is this an issue? Well, this is an issue because most people are not going to decide to buy instantly. Most people are not going to decide to buy on the spot. Most people take up to, it's been proven in this industry when it comes to making money online, that it takes up to 7 exposures, 7 times for someone to see a sales message for them to decide to buy. Okay, so if you're just sending people directly to a sales page, 1 out of, let's say, 100, okay, usually there's about a 1% conversion rate right off the bat. Only about 1% out of 100 is going to actually buy that. So if you've been doing that up until now and you've been wondering why you're not making sales, that's the first reason. You have to understand that this funnel, okay, what we're doing is we're putting people that are potentially interested into the top of this funnel, and it's going to filter through, and I'm going to share with you a visual breakdown of every single website you need in place to have a good funnel. But it's going to filter through, okay, and the people that are going to go all the way through the funnel towards the bottom are going to be the ones that buy. And then you can even have a longer funnel, which you could have higher priced products, okay? So people will buy the lower price, a little bit less people will buy the higher price, and then eventually, you know, your highest price one, very few people will buy that, but you don't need a lot of people, okay? And if you have a good funnel in place, it will filter through all those people while you're relaxing on the beach, you know, maybe while you're hanging out with your friends and family. Before I learned how to do this, maybe you can relate, I used to hit up people on Facebook. I used to prospect. I used to constantly have all these conversations. I'd get on the phone, I'd hit the pavement, and it was constantly over and over starting brand new. Like I had to keep doing the same work. But what I'm going to share with you in this video is how you can literally be relaxing with your friends and family, maybe eating out, you know, enjoying a nice meal at a restaurant. Maybe you're just relaxing by the pool and you see a commission coming in on your phone just from setting this autopilot funnel up, okay? So very powerful, and let's get into it right now. As you can see right now on the screen, I have every single step visually laid out for you if you're a visual learner or you want to see what this looks like. And this is the beginner strategy. I'm going to cover this first because a lot of people watching this are probably brand new, and this can be the one you start with. You don't have to do the advanced strategy to start to see results. Once you have a product that you're promoting, okay, let's say you found an affiliate product you're promoting or an affiliate program, and if you're watching this and you don't have one and you want to learn my #1 recommended one to promote to earn up to $1,000 per commission and earn 100% of the money, click that first link in the description and check that out. But let's assume you already have a product you're promoting. The next step is we need to get traffic, okay, which is just visitors to check out our funnel, okay, the beginning of our funnel. And the funnel is actually going to do all the work for us. Once it's set up, you can literally just send people to the front of it and it will follow up. It will make sales for you. And literally you can wake up and see commissions that have come in. So where can you get traffic? Again, I cover a lot of this on my other videos on my channel, but you can go to Facebook, you can go to YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. You can do solo ads, which is basically where you pay someone to send an email out to their email list to promote your product. Okay, so there's a lot of places you can get traffic. Now, once you get traffic, what you want to do, again, rather than sending them directly to the sales page, which sells the product, and then you have no idea who it is, you can't follow up with those people, instead you want to send them to something called a capture page. A capture page looks something like this, and I'm sure you've seen it online. Basically, it usually has a headline, okay, something catchy, and then it has a box requesting the person's information, okay? It could be an email, could be a phone number. Starting off, I recommend you just do their email. You're gonna get a lot more opt-ins, a lot more people putting their information in if you just have their email address. Once we get on Facebook, YouTube, we send them to the capture page. Now, why do we do that? Well, at the beginning of the funnel, we're basically gonna capture their email, and then we can follow up through automated emails that we've already set up. And again, follow me to the end of the video because I'm gonna walk you through software you can use, how to set all this up very easily, and you really don't wanna miss out on that, okay? So again, what happens when someone, let's say we go to Facebook, we make a post, someone says, hey, I'm interested in whatever you're doing, send me more information. We send them the link to our capture page. What happens when they put their email in? Well, in the beginner strategy, we're gonna send that person directly to the sales page. Now notice though, we have this page before we send them to the sales page. Now again, if you don't know what a sales page is, basically there's usually a video and then a buy button where the person can buy. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's sales page, when they buy through your link, you're gonna earn a portion of that money. Now what also happens though, is once they put their email in, it also gets added to something called your email list. Okay, this is a list of email addresses that you've built of potential interested people. What you can actually do with certain software, and again, I'll share with you the exact software I personally use. It's incredibly reasonable. It's like $15 a month. It's a much needed asset though if you really want to take this to the next level. And what you want to do is you want to schedule emails. Now, I personally do 1 email a day, and you want to do it for about 7 days, okay, at least. Now, why do you want to set up 7 automated emails? Because again, remember, it takes on average 7 exposures for someone to buy. So if you have 7 emails, if that person is interested and they see all 7 emails, there's a very good chance they'll decide to buy, okay? So where do we send people in the email? What's the purpose of the email? Well, basically for the first 7, it's very good to keep sending people back to the sales page. You can see these arrows, okay? And the reason is we're following up, we're saying, hey, you know, I saw you check this out. Be sure to check out the sales page. You know, check this out, make sure you know, you don't miss it, blah, 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 right? Stuff like that. I'm gonna get in more videos on how to write emails in the future, so be sure you subscribe if you haven't already. But this is the beginner strategy, okay? Again, maybe you've gone through this process yourself, maybe you've put your email in, and that's the beginner strategy. Now, what is the advanced strategy? What is the more advanced? Maybe you're watching this and you wanna take things to the next level, or you wanna know what top people online are actually doing. The advanced strategy, it's very similar, but there's one tweak, and you can see it right here. Okay, the advanced strategy is you get, again, you go to Facebook, YouTube, etc. You get traffic, you get visitors, people. You send them directly to your capture page. Okay, we always want to send them to the capture page. Sometimes it's called an opt-in page. Sometimes it's called a squeeze page. If you've seen these words, they're all the same thing. We're going to collect their email, and then rather than sending them directly to a sales page, what top marketers do is we send people to something called a bridge page. okay, a bridge page. And usually this is a page with a video. And then what we want to do is we want to bridge the gap from them putting their information in to them going to the sales page. Okay, and as you can see, after they hit the bridge page, the next step is, again, the sales page. Okay, and realize also that once they put their email in the capture page, we're still gonna have them added to our email list. Okay, so that still applies. You're still gonna follow up and send them to the sales page. But why do we send them to a bridge page? Depending on where you're getting your traffic, okay? So let's say you're doing paid advertising, maybe you're running Facebook ads, or maybe you're promoting on Facebook or Twitter, and people don't really know you, they don't really like you or trust you, which is the 3 qualities you need in a person for them to buy from you. Maybe they don't have all those. Well, the bridge page is basically taking colder traffic, people that maybe are on the fence, and it's basically explaining more information on why you are recommending the sales page that you're recommending, or the product that you're recommending. So a very simple bridge page video example could be something like, let's say you're in health and fitness niche and you're sending people to a health and fitness product. Well, before you send them directly to the sales page selling that product, you could do a little video on a page and say something like, hey, thanks so much for putting your email in on that previous page. In a second, I'm gonna share with you my #1 recommended health product to lose weight. But I just wanna share with you a little bit of my story, right? You know, a few years ago, I was very overweight, I was very, etc., right? And then you would share a little bit of your story. Now, the reason you're using the bridge page to share a story is if you're getting people cold from these social media sites, you want to build trust. You want to share a story about why you actually recommend this. You know, on my bridge page, I share my story on how I was a waiter a few years ago, right? I had $47 in my bank account. I was barely making ends meet. And then I came across an opportunity. And then I link people to the sales page, which is, introducing people to the exact way that I personally make money. So again, the reason for the bridge page is you're taking cold traffic, you're building that trust, and then when you recommend them to the sales page, rather than them just going into the sales page blindly, now they're bonded with you. So now it's gonna be a lot easier to follow up through emails, okay, recommending them more products down the line, recommending them back to that same product. It's gonna be a lot easier because now they know who you are. Now you've built trust, you've built relationship with them, and you can really start to create some good results. So this is the visual breakdown of the beginner and the advanced strategy. Both work. If you're just getting started, I would just stick with the beginner strategy. It works absolutely incredibly well. I used that for at least 1 or 2 years when I first started, and I made good money. So you don't have to do the advanced strategy, but I wanted to share that with you in case you're a little bit more advanced and you want to know what other leaders are doing. Now what I want to do, my friend, is I want to share with you some resources, right? How do you actually put all this into place? Now that you know how to create a funnel, what a funnel actually is, how do you start to put that in place and apply it in about 5 minutes or less? All right, my friend, now the very first resource I want to share with you is something called ClickFunnels. Now, chances are you may have heard of ClickFunnels. Basically, it's what the name implies. You click and you can build funnels, okay? I've built, dozens of funnels in my day just using ClickFunnels. As you can see, these are all the funnels that I've actually created. I'm constantly creating new ones. I'm getting rid of other ones. And you can see that you can create amazing funnels, okay? I have 23 different pages that I'm testing out and things like that. So don't let this overwhelm you. Take this one step at a time. I didn't start doing this. But again, if you're watching this and you want to create a capture page, maybe you want to create a bridge page, a sales page, you can use ClickFunnels. Now, it's about $97 a month. It's very reasonable, again, because once you create these funnels, you're going to make that money back very quickly if you follow what I'm sharing with you as you continue to stay subscribed. So these are the funnels. This is how you do it. It's very simple. You would just hit add new. Okay, you could go to Classic Funnel Builder. You could do the cookbook builder process. I personally just do the Classic Funnel Builder. You would just literally hit create new funnel and it would walk you through creating the capture page, creating the thank you page. You can use templates so you don't even have to come up with it yourself. Absolutely powerful. Now, if you're watching this and you want to get access to a free trial with ClickFunnels so you can test this out and start to create a funnel and make money before that bill, I'm gonna include a link below so you can actually get access to this and check that out. Really, really powerful. Now, the next resource, my friend, is how do we actually start collecting people's email addresses and follow up with them through email? Well, I personally use an email autoresponder service called GetResponse. Now, there's a lot of ones out there. I've used a lot of different ones. The one I'm currently using right now is GetResponse. It's about $15 to $30 per month, depending on how big your list of emails actually gets. But again, you can actually try this out for 30 days free. So you can use ClickFunnels for free, use GetResponse for free, start to do these funnels, create sales, and then pay for it out of the money that you actually made. So again, I'll include a link below to GetResponse. This is where you're gonna write the automated emails. It's gonna link up and hook up to your ClickFunnels capture page, and that's how you're gonna be starting to follow up. Now, the last thing I wanna share with you, my friend, is maybe you're watching this and you're like, this is great, but I don't even wanna create my own funnel right now. I don't know what to create a headline. I don't know how to make a good design. Even though they have templates, it is can be confusing and technical at first. Before you go, I want to share with you a done-for-you funnel so you can literally just plug in to the funnel. You don't have to create the capture page. You don't have to create the thank you page or the sales page. You can literally just plug into this, get your link today, and start sending traffic and visitors from Facebook, YouTube, etc. All right, my friend, and I'm actually logged into it right now. It's called Funnel X ROI. I'm gonna have a link. That's actually the first link in the description. I take you through my personal funnel. You can see exactly what I'm doing. And then I recommend this funnel. Now, this funnel allows you to not only get a done-for-you funnel that's totally simple, but it also allows you to earn up to 100% commissions and up to $1,000 or more per day. Okay, I have other videos walking you through, but all you would do is go here to links, okay, your links to promote. And if I go into this system, you can see that they have all these done-for-you capture pages. Okay, now they call them squeeze page. Again, it's the same thing as a capture page or an opt-in page. And let's say I like this one. All I would do is copy this link. Now, this is coded to me. When you create a free account at the link below, it's gonna be coded to you. Let's take a look at what this actually looks like. Now, this is gonna be something you could literally start promoting. And as you can see, it's a capture page. Okay, this is a page that you could send people. They put their email address in, and then they get sent to the sales page. Again, this is totally done for you. So I hope this made sense for you, my friend. Again, I wanted to share with you multiple different options, why you need a funnel if you truly want to make automated money, even while you're sleeping. The two different strategies, the beginner and the advanced strategy, so you can kind of pick which one you want to do. And then also some resources, some more technical, some more hands-on ways to create funnels, and also a done-for-you funnel. So depending on what you want, you can just go to the links below and choose whatever is best suited for your needs, okay? So if you like this video, my friend, and you want me to make more step-by-step videos on exactly how to start making consistent long-term income online, be sure to hit the like button to let me know. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, again, if you want access to any of these things, there's gonna be links all in the description. Check that out. I really think you're gonna like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.